Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to remove business account from Instagram. To remove business account from Instagram, first of all, tap open Instagram application in your device. Make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile picture located on your bottom right. Here, tap on the three horizontal lines on your top right. Here, you have to scroll down and in Professional section, tap on Business Tools and Controls. Here, scroll down and tap on Switch Account Type. Here, you will be given two options to switch to personal account or to switch to creator account. Tap on any of these two as you prefer. Here, I'll be choosing personal account, so I'll tap on Switch to personal account. After this confirmation pop-up will appear. Read the description carefully, and if you are confirmed, tap on Switch to personal account. And here you go. You have successfully been switched to personal account. And this is how you remove business account from Instagram. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.